In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a Word document read-only. If you want to stop other people from making changes to your document, Microsoft Word gives you a built-in way to restrict editing so the file can still be opened and read, but not easily modified. This is especially useful if you're sharing final versions of reports, forms, instructions, or any document that should stay exactly the way you created it. To begin, open your Word document and look at the ribbon at the top of the window. Click on the Review tab. This tab includes tools for comments, tracking, and protection, so this is where you'll find the setting you need. Once you're in the Review tab, look for the option called Restrict Editing. In some versions of Word, you may need to click Protect first, and then choose Restrict Editing from the menu. Either way, this will open a panel on the right side of the screen where you can control how the document is protected. In that pane, find the section labeled Editing Restrictions. Check the box that says Allow only this type of editing in the document. Turning on this option tells Word that you want to limit what other people can do inside the file. Right below that, you'll see a drop-down menu. Make sure it is set to No Changes, which means Read Only. This is the key setting that prevents edits. With this selected, people will still be able to open the document and read through it, but they won't be able to make normal changes unless protection is removed. After that, click Yes, Start Enforcing Protection. This is the step that actually applies the restriction to the document. Word may then ask you to enter a password. This part is optional, but it's strongly recommended if you want to keep others from simply turning the protection off. If you choose to use one, type the password, confirm it by entering it again, and then click OK. Just make sure you remember it because you'll need that same password later if you want to remove the read-only protection yourself. Once that's done, your document is now protected as read-only. It's a simple and effective way to preserve formatting, prevent unwanted edits, and make sure your content stays exactly as intended when shared with others.